And some are such great advice there. Just go ahead and be prepared just in case. Plan for the worst case scenario, but hope for the best. So great advice there. Go ahead and get your plans ready this weekend. If you don't have your hurricane plans in place, this weekend is the time to do it, folks. Now let's talk about Hurricane Elsa this evening. Right now, still off in the Caribbean. Not seeing substantial changes, guys. Not going to expect much changes either as we go really into next 24 hours. Not until tomorrow night we start to see a little more changes. We did see a little bit of weakening this evening, not substantial. We've gone from 85-mile-an-hour winds to down to 80. So we've lost 5-mile-per-hour winds. Not a big change. But this thing is still moving to the west, northwest, right around 29 miles per hour. So it has slowed down 1 mile per hour. But still, like I said, not substantial changes, not expecting substantial changes either over the next 24 hours. However, as we head into Saturday night, that's when we're going to start to watch this thing change a little bit. We're going to start to see it slowing down a little bit more, and then we start to watch it make its turn. Here's a look at those spaghetti plots. You can see pretty consistent as we move really into Sunday morning. In fact, I want to zoom in on this for you guys so you can see where exactly these models are really predicting this to move first towards. It's really putting it right between Jamaica and Puerto Rico. Now, as it moves over Puerto Rico, that's where we're really going to watch this. It makes its way over land. Obviously, land is going to help try to affect this. It's going to possibly slow it down, and it runs into some of those higher elevations. That could impact it as well. And in fact, spaghetti plots are really pointing that out as we have a little bit all over the board. But let's take a look closer, though. You can see that the model is really hanging on more so tight with this trend right here. There are some, though, that are shifting it a little further to these, so it's still not out of the question, but you want to focus on where the majority are. Majority are still showing up on our west coast, just off the coast, in fact. The question is from there is when does it take a turn as well, and how strong could it be? Well, taking a look at the cone of uncertainty, right now it's expected to stay really hurricane status all the way across Cuba, but once it crosses Cuba, loses some intensity. It's not over that water anymore. It doesn't have really the nutrients that it needs to feed into it. Not a substantial time, too, to regain that energy. In fact, right now, forecasting, right as it moves into our area, it would be closer towards Monday night into Tuesday. We start seeing the impacts moving in. It's winds right around 60 miles per hour. That's tropical storm status. So that's some good news right now. Again, this can change very quickly. We're going to have an eye out on this, and we'll continue to keep you updated on air, online, and on your mobile device. And speaking of mobile device, scan that right there. Keep your phone up. Just scan it. That'll get you the app very quickly. Winds, probability right now, 40 mile per hour, around a 20-30% chance. We'll see how this is going to evolve as this storm starts to progress its way over Cuba, where we're going to learn a lot more about this weekend. Outside, though, tonight, it's a quiet, tranquil night. Temperature is still very mild. We're at 82 degrees right now. Now, overnight tonight, it may see a stray shower. It's going to be more so as we head into your day tomorrow. Those shower chances going to start to fire up, especially into the afternoon inland along the coast in the morning hours. Let's time it out for you. You can see a little bit of that shower activity starting to form right in the morning hours. This is more so to the north, diving down into the afternoon. We get a few of these scattered storms, some heavy at times, but it's not going to be a washout for your entire Saturday. Saturday night, I know it's a big night. We have so many things going on, especially those fireworks. By Saturday night, I think we start to quieten those showers out. Sun sets and we'll be quiet for the overnight. Sunday actually looking really dry. In fact, I dropped the rain chances on Sunday to only 20% chance. So 4th of July looking pretty good here across the Sun Coast. If you're heading out on the waters tomorrow, watch out for a moderate drop due to those winds coming out of the west at 15 knots. Otherwise, nice and pleasant out there. And over the next couple of days, we're just going to continue to keep our eye on Elsa. For your weekend, though, rain chances best Saturday afternoon. Heading into Monday, rain chances about a 50% chance. We'll see as we move into Monday night if we start seeing the impacts of Elsa. Keeping the eyes into Tuesday and Wednesday, that would be our main impact time if this storm does set on the worst case scenario. As we get that storm out of here, though, it's a fast moving storm. By Thursday, Friday, we just see a few isolated showers. Again, we'll keep you updated on air, online, and on your mobile device.